In this video, we're going to reset the mouse cursor on the drag end in the Chartjs Dragdata Plugin for Chart.js. So far what we have is we have our trigger of the starting point. We have the dragging period, or the moment that we drag is being triggered as well. But when it ends, there's an issue. The cursor doesn't go back to its original state. So what I want to do now is to figure out how can it go back to original state. To understand this, we must look at the drag events as well. So we have the onStart drag, we have the during the drag, basically the onDrag, that's the period where we're starting to drag and keep on going, but we didn't stop yet. And then the final one, let's say comma here, and I'm going to say onDrag ending or end. So this basically is very similar to the upper one here, except instead of the dragging here that continues on, we want to stop it. So that's the ending point, or give it closure. So we have here as well, event, comma. Then we have here again, all the values that I indicated previously above. I'm going to put them all in there. Then of course we will create here a arrow function expression. And then in here, all what I will do is just do exactly the same. I'm going to just copy this console log event. And you will see it will have the exact same. Let's remove all of this here. Save that. And you will see it has the exact same item as here. So if I save this, refresh. If I drag now, alright, and then here, it should be on the drag end. So as you can see here, if I click, but let go, at that moment, it starts to understand the ending point. So I didn't do anything yet. This is the dragging. If I keep on going up and down, it doesn't work, or it doesn't show anything. But if I let go, the releasing of the mouse button, let's show that again. There we are. This shows nicely. So again here, let's go back here. We need to get again the element that we want to adjust, which is the target, basically the target of that one. So we can say here dot target, and then we can say here dot style, and then dot cursor. So if I save this now, you can see here, now it says grabbing. That's the interesting one. So it grabs here. So how do we reset this one? Well, basically, if you remember previously, we can just set this back to default. We can just say here default, and in Chart.js, what will happen is it will understand that the default is the original mouse cursor. So if I refresh, click on this, drag it, let go, and there we are. Go up here, there we are. Go down here, there we are. So with this, we can then now play nicely with every item here. This is so much fun. So next video, we'll go more deeper. Can do some other items that we can play around with.